Yep.
Can we try it when the lights are all off?
Yeah. Here, open it up.
Okay. I have a green light. And I have to get it out like this. I have to dump it out. How do we get it out and turn it on?
I can help you.
Oh.
Want me to help you? What do you say?
Thank you, Daddy.
And who's it from?
It's Genoa. It's from Genoa.
Angela.
Angela.
Look. Say thank you, Angela.